let's talk a little bit about solar panels and some of the parts involved in the installation. As you can see, this is about a 40 by 60 solar panel. In this case, it's branded LG, and they're converting sunlight into usable power from DC to AC through a microinverter. But let's look at the attachments, and this is some of the things that we take pride at Paioli to make sure that the attachments are guaranteed not to leak. So you get 25 years of leak warranty on that, and we have Iron Ridge rails in this case, also 25 years on that. And guess what? Our designs, all of our designs are gonna look like they're floating on the roof because we're not having any exposed rails. We don't like to look at the rails. You don't like that either, right? So we're gonna have everything flushed and under these solar panels, and we use the tile knockout process that we developed along with Iron Ridge, who is the manufacturer of the rail. So you can see here, there's a knockout. We replace that tile, we seal under it, and we seal on top, and then we put the flashing, and everything is hidden. So it looks nice, and that is one little thing of why Paioli has a top-notch installation every installation. Go Solar, Paioli Solar.